What is venture capital for Black businesses? Imagine turning your big idea into a thriving business but hitting a wall when it comes to funding. That's where venture capital can step in to change the game. Venture capital is money invested in early-stage companies with high growth potential in exchange for ownership shares. It's a way to get the funds needed to expand, develop new products, or reach new markets. For Black entrepreneurs, venture capital offers a chance to grow faster and compete more effectively. However, access to venture capital has not always been easy for Black businesses. Many Black entrepreneurs start with limited personal savings and less family wealth to fall back on. They often face challenges like lower homeownership rates and fewer traditional bank loans. This means they might rely on credit cards or personal savings, which can be risky and expensive. When seeking outside funding, Black founders are approved for loans at lower rates than white business owners, making it harder to get the capital they need. Despite these hurdles, progress is happening. Black-led venture capital firms are increasing in number and influence. These firms are run by Black investors who understand the cultural and community needs of Black entrepreneurs. They not only provide funding but also mentorship, networks, and resources that help businesses grow. When Black investors lead venture funds, the chances for Black-founded startups to secure funding improve significantly. The funds managed by Black-led firms are often smaller than industry averages, but some have raised over $100 million to invest in businesses led by women and people of color. These funds tend to focus on sectors like technology, healthcare, education, and consumer products. They are especially interested in companies using artificial intelligence and innovative tech. Funding a business through venture capital is about more than just money. It's about gaining access to mentorship, professional connections, and resources that help a company scale. Many organizations and programs support Black entrepreneurs by offering education, networking, and guidance beyond just funding. This approach helps build wealth and community strength over time. Understanding venture capital is part of broader financial education. It's about knowing what options exist beyond personal savings or bank loans and how to prepare a business to attract outside investors. Budgeting for growth, similar to planning for family reunions, requires discipline and planning. Accessing community financial resources like Black-led venture funds and community development financial institutions can make a real difference in whether a Black business succeeds. Promoting financial literacy in the Black community involves learning how venture capital works, what investors look for, and how to build a business that attracts this kind of funding. Supporting Black-led investment firms and advocating for fair access to capital are also key steps. Venture capital for Black businesses is more than just funding. It's a community resource that helps bridge gaps and create opportunities. While challenges remain, more Black investors, targeted programs, and financial education are helping to close the funding gap. For Black families and entrepreneurs, understanding and accessing venture capital can be a vital part of building lasting wealth and economic independence.